A test framework that lacks the ability to evaluate conditions to be true or false is a test framework that would probably be considered utterly useless. Assertions are the fundamental cornerstone of verifying the behavior of a test, comparing actual computational results against a predetermined expected output. There are many libraries in the Java ecosystem that introduce concepts of asserting things, such as assert_j or truth. None of these tools are incompatible with JUnit 5, so there's no need to choose a different library when upgrading to Jupyter tests. However, the new programming model comes with a set of assertions of its own, out of the box. These are encapsulated in the assertions class. Let's have a look at these groupings of methods. Assert equals and assert same compare the actual result of some code to an expected value, based on equality or sameness, respectively. Think of it this way. Assert equals uses Java's equals method to determine if the assertion passes, and assert same compares references using the equal to operator, like the two equal signs. If two objects with identical contents are created, like in this example, they still do not represent the same object in memory. Using assert same would compare the memory address of both objects and fail the test. This test can be fixed by using the assert equals instead, and executing the test again. Of course, it's up to you to implement the necessary Java methods to determine equality first. In this example, Kotlin's data classes do it for me, which is kinda neat. For convenience, JUnit Jupyter also provides some more assertions for determining equality, or even inequality. Assert array equals validates each element of two arrays against each other. Assert iterable equals does the same for Java collections or any iterable object. And finally, there are assert not equals and assert not same, through which a difference between objects can be checked for. Lastly, all of these methods share a similar signature, where the expected value always comes first and the actual result follows afterwards. Optionally, you can also provide a string to describe the meaning of this particular assertion, to facilitate debugging, for example. Here, two strings are compared using this method. During test execution, Jupyter would stop immediately if this assertion failed. Any code inside this particular method after this point wouldn't be hit. The second statement will not be printed out to the console anymore, but instead we get the custom message that we provided in the assertion method.